In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Keep to create a shopping list. Google Keep is a versatile tool that's perfect for keeping track of your tasks and notes, and today we'll focus on setting it up to streamline your grocery shopping. Let's jump right in and get you started. To begin, open your Google browser. Once you're in, look to the top right corner for the familiar grid icon that represents Google Apps. Go ahead and click on it. From the drop-down menu that appears, find and select Keep. This will open Google Keep and mark the starting point of our journey toward a more organized shopping experience. Now that you have Google Keep open, it's time to create your shopping list. First, click on the plus sign or the take a note option, which will open up a box for you to start typing. Enter the items you need, each on a new line, so they're easy to check off once you're in the store. If you have categories for items like produce or dairy, you can use indents to create sections within your list, which can help keep things organized. Next, if you want to further organize your list, try clicking and dragging to rearrange items into the order you prefer. This is especially handy when you think about the layout of your local store and helps reduce backtracking. Once you're happy with how your list is organized, click close on the note to save your changes. Let's move to customizing your list settings. Locate the settings icon, usually found in the upper right of your Keep screen. Click on it and then choose Settings from the menu. Here you'll find an option labeled Move Checked Items to Bottom. Check this box so that any item you tick off gets moved to the bottom of your list, helping you see at a glance what you still need to pick up. Don't forget to hit save once you've made these adjustments. This will ensure that the preferences you've set are applied to your shopping experience. Now we want to make sure people you shop with can access this list too. So click to open your list again and hit the collaborator icon. This is where you can enter the email address of anyone you'd like to share the list with, making shopping a collaborative effort. Once you've entered the emails, click save to share your list. Finally, you might find Google Keep's reminder feature useful. By clicking on the reminder icon, you can set a location-based reminder. For instance, when you're near your usual grocery store, the app will ping you so you remember to pick up your items. And that's it, you now have a fully organized, shared, and optimized shopping list in Google Keep, ready to use. I hope this guide helps make your shopping more efficient and hassle-free. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.